Adharsh. I come from Kerala. I did postgraduate in data analytics from Imarticus Learning. I decided to choose after I took a demo of one of my trainers, and I understood that this is very good. They have a very good curriculum, and they do have very good experience. I had my friend who has already got placed in a very good company after finishing data science course from here. He referred me, and that gave me the confidence that they do have a very good curriculum to get good placements. The program was completely packed with everything which is required for getting a good placement, and it had every aspect coming from the mock interviews, let it be the training for each sessions, and everything is packed in the proper 6 months package. And after that, there is a dedicated placements which are being allowed. So even during the training, there are sessions where soft skill trainings are being given. So all this packing gave us a complete confidence when it comes to giving interviews. My view about the curriculum is it's to what is industries required, because when we are working right now in industries, we realize that these concepts are very updated, and the faculties are very much helpful in every aspect, let it be when it comes to handling stress or anything while going through the course. Also, every concepts are taught in a very basic manner, so that any background you come from, it's going to be a very helpful. I come from a mechanical background, so it was a great experience. In Imarticus Learning, every person has a role in it, because we have a curriculum in that there is one who will make us proper the time schedule, and there is placement coordinator. So everyone has played their own role in a very great manner, which made us get placed in a company. So, and classrooms, let it be the classroom, the atmosphere which is being created, it's all very friendly, and it's great. It was a great experience in Imarticus. I would recommend every other person who is interested in data science. If they have the interest towards data science, the faculties are very good. The whole organization is very well done. But our efforts have to be there. With our efforts, and because they are giving their 100%, we need to put our efforts. It will happen. I would recommend anyone who is trying to get into the data science field.